everybody, and welcome back to Desert DIY. If you are new here, my name is Corey. Today I have a special announcement, which is that I'm going to be part of a collaboration between a few YouTubers. Heidi Sonbul has started this, and it is the Room of the Month Challenge. This Room of the Month Challenge I'm doing with Yami from the Latina Next Door, Antoinette from Simple Yet Chic, Kristen from Kristen's Chaotic Life, and of course Heidi Sonbul. For this challenge, we will be posting every Thursday at 7 p.m. So make sure that you have the subscription button clicked and put your notifications on so that you don't forget when 7 p.m. comes around. I am so excited for this collaboration because this is the time where I'm going to announce the gender of my baby. So the first video, which is this one, is going to be where I just kind of show you my nursery and talk to you about my ideas. The second video, I'm going to do some kind of like painting and fixing things up here and there. The third video is going to be some DIYs that I'm going to make for my nursery. And then the final video is going to be the reveal of the entire nursery, as well as me revealing my gender of my baby. So I'm so excited to share this all with you. I was waiting for the right opportunity, and when Heidi came up with this Room of the Month challenge, I knew this was the perfect time for this. So I'm going to give you a quick before look at this room, which you're going to be a little confused at first because it's a closet right now. We have a really big master closet that we don't use because my husband and I are becoming more minimalist, so we don't have that much clothes. And this big, huge closet is right next to our room. I'm a little old-fashioned when it comes to, I guess, being close to the baby. I have to be able to like check on them a million times in the middle of the night and make sure they're still breathing. So I wanted the baby to be sleeping near me, but not necessarily be bothered by any lights or sounds of my husband getting up for work or just having the TV on if we're watching TV at night, things like that. So I wanted to make sure that the baby would be comfortable, but that I would be comfortable in my helicopter mom ways, being able to see the baby and check on the baby whenever I want without having to go all the way around to a different room. So this is my current master closet with a few baby items in it right now, and I'll kind of explain what I want to do. So right here is the crib, obviously, and this crib is the crib that I used for all of my other children. That's why it has all those beautiful bite marks all over it. But I figured I'm gonna be putting on some crib bumpers up there and I'll be able to cover that up. I just figured I'm too sentimental. I can't get rid of this crib and get a new one. I wanted to keep everything really, really neutral because with my previous children, I went all out and I kind of regret wasting all that money. And it didn't match my house. So this one we're going with more neutral colors like whites and grays. And up here, these are my closet shelves, obviously. And it's just like random things that we had in storage in our master closet. And this wall here that you can see, this wall is actually cedar planks that I whitewashed and put in white caulking in between. This chair right here was mine as a child, so obviously it's sentimental too. And then just random diaper stuff. The trunk there is like memory items that my grandmother kept for me when I was growing up. And then I have like diapers and clothes there. These are my boots. I don't have a place to put them yet. There's random clothes that belong to my husband and just some more storage things. This is just all random stuff like wall decor, part of my Halloween costume, and clothes that won't fit me because I'm pregnant. And then I have this dresser here. Don't mind the bottom drawer, it needs to get fixed. But this is gonna be the baby's supplies, so like diapers, clothes, things like that. And then I have hand sanitizer here. When we were foster parents, we always had our hand sanitizer by our foster son for when we had to change diapers and things like that. So I just left it in here for changing diapers, and then just random items over here. But we're gonna get rid of this entire bottom shelf that you see going all the way around the room. And then paint and fill in the holes where the shelf was hung, and then keep that top shelf for storage and just like nursery decor items. And then if I zoom out here, this chandelier was original to our house, but in our dining room, and I painted it white and put it into the nursery. I think it turned out really pretty. And then the ceiling we redid in beadboard. We actually renovated this room already when we turned it into our walk-in closet, so it has had some updates, like brand new carpet, which is nice. I just have this little organizer. I didn't know where to put it, and we have a trash can for diapers and other trash items. And on this wall, it's still the cedar planks. And don't mind my messy background in the bathroom there. Oh, and this is my diaper bag. I got it off Amazon. Isn't it cute? So that was my before tour. As I was saying, this was our walk-in closet, so it has quite a bit of transforming to do still, and you'll see that progressing through each of the videos every Thursday when we post them. And of course, don't forget to check out everybody else's videos because they're doing really neat stuff too. And I can't wait to show you all what I have planned for this room. I'm very excited. Obviously, this is just kind of like a really short sneak peek of what I'm gonna do, and you will hopefully be surprised. And don't forget to comment below guessing the gender of the baby. I tried to remove everything in here that could possibly make you think one way or the other, so I hope you guys are all gonna be very surprised. And that's all I have. I will see you next Thursday, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can see the progress of my nursery. And I will see you next time. Bye.